Hi there! Right now we will learn about the tools in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can take a look. This is the tool panel and here is the selection tool. Here is the track select forward tool, ripple edit tool, razor tool, sleep tool, pen tool, hand tool and type tool. So here is the tools and right now we are going to introduce you with these tools. And therefore I want to import some more video clips in our project panel, and therefore we have to go for file menu. Here is the import option, and right now I want to import some multiple clips from our exercise file. So I want to import this clip 4 as well as clip 5, but when I'm clicking on clip 5 it's not selecting clip 4 as well, but I want to select this multiple clips like 4, 5, 7. Okay, so I just selected this clip 4 and then you have to press Ctrl or Command button from your keyboard and then you have to select another, and you can take a look. Right now 2 clip is selected and I want to select this clip 7. Then I have to press once again Command or Control button from my keyboard and then I'm selecting this clip 7. So right now I just select 4, 5 and 7, these 3 clips from our exercise file, and I want to import these 3 clips in our project. So where we have to click now? Yes, you are right, we have to click on open option. So let me click open. Here we go. You can take a look. These 3 clips are imported in our project and you can change the preview of our imported clips and materials. Okay, let me show you. By changing the previews, I want to change the preview in a list view. So here is the list view option. You just have to click on here and you can take a look. The preview of our video footages, our audio clips are changed into list view. And if you want to take a look in freeform view, then you have to click on this freeform view option. So let me click on this freeform view option and now you can take a look. All the video and audio footages are previewing in freeform view. Okay, so I think icon view is the better. Okay, cool. Right now I want to place this clip 4 footage in our project timeline. So let's drag and drop. Okay, this is our clip 4 video and I just placed in clip 4 video in our project timeline, and I want to add this clip 05. Let me add this video clip. So right now we have 2 video clip in our project timeline, clip 4, clip 5. Okay, so right now we will learn more about the selection tool. Okay, selection tool is the default tool for Adobe Premiere Pro. When you will work in Adobe Premiere Pro, when you will import some video footages in your project panel, and then when you will place that video footage in your project timeline, then the selection tool remain default. And you can take a look, we already have the selection tool and we have the default mouse cursor icon, and in here you can take a look, the field for selection tool is enabled. So selection tool always work as default. But what is the actual use of a selection tool? Selection tool is basically using for selecting something else, but it has some more uses, and let me show you the more uses. Okay, so let me select this clip 4 video clip, and the duration of this clip 4 video footage is till 41 seconds, near about 41 seconds. This is the duration of clip 4. Okay, but if you don't want to keep this entire clip, I mean you just want to keep for 20 seconds from this clip 4, so what you will do? You know what to do. You may think that you will have to use the razor tool. Here is the razor tool, but without use of razor tool, you can reduce the duration of this video footage. So how you will do that? When you will place your mouse cursor using selection tool in between of two video clips, this is the middle point, and I'm placing my mouse cursor in between of two video clip, and you can take a look, the cursor is changed. So with this option we can reduce the duration of the video clip. So you just have to put your mouse, or you just have to place your mouse cursor in between of two video clip, and then this cursor will appear, and then you just have to hold left button from your mouse, and then you have to move it in left side. Okay, so I want to make it for 20 seconds, so with this identification bar I placed in here, and you can take a look right now. The duration of my clip 4 is only 20 seconds, and rest of 20 seconds I just reduced from here. So this is one of the use of selection tool. Okay, so we just reduced the last 20 seconds, but if you want to get it back, or if you want to bring it back again with 40 seconds, how you will do that? Again, you just have to place your mouse cursor at the end of the video footage, and then you have to press left button on your mouse, then you have to pull it right. Cool, you can take a look right now. We have the duration around 41 seconds. So the part we just reduced from this video footage, we get it back. So this is an amazing feature of selection tool. So you can do that very easily for clip 5 as well. Okay, and if you want to select this two video footage at once for selecting, then you have to select the first clip at first, then you have to press shift button on your keyboard, and then you have to select another. And right now you can take a look, clip 4 and clip 5, these two clips are selected using the selection tool. So this is the basic use of selection tool, and I'm pretty sure you know how to do that. And here is the selection tool, and if you want to use the keyboard shortcut, then you just have to press V button from your keyboard. Okay, so now you know the use of selection tool. Right now we are going to learn about another tool, that is track select forward tool, and the keyboard shortcut for this tool is A button. Okay, cool. So you can take a look, we have some more video footages in our project panel, and I want to add some more video footage like this clip 1, and I want to place it in video track 1 bar. I want to place this clip 7, and I want to place this pixels clip. Okay, right now you can take a look, we have many video clips in our project timeline, and you can move left or right the preview of your project timeline by using this bar. Okay, you can zoom in and you can zoom out the project timeline using this bar. And if you want to zoom in and zoom out, you just have to select this pointer, and you have to push it left side, then it will zoom in, and if you pull it in right side, then it will zoom out. Okay, you can take a look right now, we have all the video clips in just a short frame. I mean, we have a small preview for each clip. Right now we have the zoom out mode, but if you want to make it zoom in, then you just have to place your mouse cursor in this pointer, and then you have to push it in left side. So zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, or you can use keyboard shortcut as a plus or minus button for zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so we were talking about the track forward selection tool. Suppose you working in a project and you have imported lots of video clips, like 100 of video clips you placed in your video track 1 bar, but somehow you have to delete or somehow you have to select the entire video track bar. So how you will do that? If you want to select one by one, then it will consume your time and it will take some more times. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, so suppose you have 100 of video clips in your time frame, and somehow you missed things, and only from the video track 1 bar you want to select all the video clips that's remain in video track 1 bar and you want to delete it. But you should not select with one by one, or you should not select with one by one for the entire video track 1 bar. So in that case, how you will select the entire video track 1 bar? This is the main use of track select forward tool. So let me select this track select forward tool, and I want to delete all the video footages that placed in video track 1 bar. And you can take a look. I select this track select forward tool, and then you have to place your mouse cursor on video track 1 bar, then you have to select it. You can take a look, entire video clips are selected that belongs to video track 1 bar, entire video clips. And now if you want to delete, you just have to press the delete button from your keyboard. So let me press the delete button. Okay, it's gone. So this is the use of track select forward tool for selecting an entire track with this tool. Okay, so this is the use, and we just deleted all the video footages from here, and I want to bring them back. So that's why we have to use the undo option. So let me select this selection tool, and we have to use the undo option. For undo, you have to click the edit menu, and there you will get the undo option. And the shortcut key for Windows user is Ctrl and Z, and those who are using Mac, you have to use Command and Z button for undo. So let me click on this undo option, and you can take a look, all the video footages are back in here. Okay, so let me zoom out and let me place all the video footages in a short time frame preview. So right now I have a short time frame preview with zoom out option. Okay, so right now we are going to learn about ripple edit tool. So this is the ripple edit tool, and the shortcut key for ripple edit tool is B button from your keyboard. So before using this ripple edit tool, we need to know what is ripple delete. So let me explain you about the ripple delete, then we will use the ripple edit tool. Okay, so let me explain with you about the ripple delete. Okay, I'm using this selection tool right now, and I want to decrease the duration of clip 4, and you can take a look the duration of clip 4. I mean, this is our first clip in our timeline, and I want to decrease the duration of clip 4, and I want to make it for 20 seconds. So we can do that in two ways, using the razor tool and using the selection tool. So I am preferring the selection tool right now, and you know how to reduce the duration. You just seen it before. You just have to place the mouse in between the first and second clip, and then you have to push it in left side. Okay, cool. So right now we have 24 seconds around, but you can take a look. We just create a blank space in here. The duration of first clip is reduced, but a blank space is created over here. So let me play this clip from here. Okay, I want to play this clip from the beginning. Okay, you can take a look. The frame is moving on, it's playing, but we create a blank space, then it's playing but nothing is appearing in our program monitor. Okay, now we got the another clip, and when it's found another clip, it's started to playing, but we just created a blank space. And if you save in this way, or if you export this clip in this way, then a blank space for 20 seconds will be created, and that's not a good idea. So we want to delete this blank space, and that's why you have to use the ripple delete option. So for deleting this blank space, you just have to place your mouse in this blank space, then you just have to right click with your mouse, then you will get this ripple delete option. So when you will click this ripple delete option, this blank space will be removed, and the second video footage will make an adjustment without any blank space with the first one. So let me hit the ripple delete option, and you can take a look. We have the same duration for the first video clip. We just reduced around 20 seconds, and the blank space is gone, and we have the second clip right now. So let me play from here. Okay, you can take a look. No more blank space. So this is the use of ripple delete, and now we are going to learn about ripple edit tool. Okay, so let me select this ripple edit tool, and you know the shortcut key is B. Okay, right now I want to decrease the duration for the second clip, and the name of our clip is clip 5. So I want to reduce the duration without creating any space. So here is the clip 1 and here is the clip 5. We have two clips, and I am going to reduce the duration for this clip 5 without creating any space, and that's why you have to use this ripple edit tool. So you just have to place the mouse cursor in between the two video clip, and then you have to push it in left side, as because I'm going to reduce the duration. Okay, cool. You can take a look. The clip 5 video clip's duration is reduced, and here is no spaces created. We just reduced the duration, but we don't create any blank space, or we don't create any empty space, and this is the main use of ripple edit tool. Okay, so ripple edit tool is done. Right now we are going to learn about razor tool, and already we've seen the use of razor tool. So here is the razor tool, and this is basically using for splitting video clips. So let me use the selection tool once again, and I want to delete this clip, this clip, this clip, and this clip, and I only want to keep this one. Okay, so let's bring it in here. So you can bring this clip in two way. You can just drag and drop this clip, and you can place it at the beginning, or you just have to use the ripple edit option. So I'm preferring the ripple edit option. So in the blank space you have to press your mouse, and then you have to press the right button in your mouse, then you have to click the ripple delete option. Okay, so right now we have the clip in here, and the duration of this clip is around 39 seconds. Actually this is a video clip of Saint Martin Island, and the total duration of this video clip is 40 seconds. Cool. But you can take a look. This is an entire clip, and I want to split this clip in 4 parts, and I want to split it from here, and I want to create 4 different parts, and that's why you have to use the razor tool. So here is the razor tool. I want to split in here, in here, in here, and you can take a look. We have 4 different clips. So let me use the selection tool. Okay, and now you can take a look. We have 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, and 4 part. So if you want to move them aside, you can do that. So let me move this last part. I want to place it in here. The third part, I want to place it in here. The second part, I want to place it in here. So I just splitted a single clip into a 4 part using the razor tool. So this is an amazing feature of a razor tool for splitting the video clips. Okay, we just learned about a razor tool, and right now we are going to learn about another tool called slip tool. So here is the slip tool, and the shortcut key for this slip tool is Y from your keyboard. Okay, so let me delete all this video clip from our sequence timeline. You just have to select and you can press the delete button from your keyboard. Okay, right now our sequence timeline or project timeline is totally clear. Okay, so I want to import this clip 7 in our sequence timeline. So we just placed a video clip in our sequence timeline or project timeline, and now we are going to use the slip tool. So what is use of slip tool? Suppose you have more than 30 or 40 video clips in our video track 1 or 2 bar, and you are editing some video clips in here, but you need to know the duration of a specific video clip with the starting point scenario and the ending point scenario at once. So how you will do that? You can do that very easily with the slip tool. So let me show you. Here is the slip tool, and you have to place the mouse cursor. When you will click on slip tool, the mouse cursor will be changed, and after change the mouse cursor, you have to place the mouse cursor in the video footage. Then you have to press your left button of mouse, and then you just have to move your mouse a little in right side. And please take a look in our program monitor. We have 2 scenario. We have the 000 scenario. This is our starting point scenario, and we have the second one, that is 32.04 scenario. This is our ending scenario. So with this slip tool, we can take a look the starting scenario and the ending scenario of this video footage. So this is the use of slip tool for taking a look at same time starting and ending scenario. So this is the use of slip tool. So right now we're going to learn about the pen tools.